Hi, today I will show you how I've made this articulated Bumblebee transformer. I'm Medic3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. This time I've decided to print this, also modeled by Toymark3D. As you can see, it is colorful, but also it is easy to print, because all the parts can be printed separately using different colors. And as you can see, it gives awesome results. Also, it is easy to assemble, you just need CA glue and that's it. This articulated G1 Transformers Bumblebee is made by Toymark3D. You can download the files for free, link in the description below. Also, please check Toymark3D YouTube channel. There are some more great transformers there and cool stuff. At first I tried to make cool time lapses of printing all the parts for Bumblebee, but I was unable to get decent results, so I decided to make all the parts separately without my time-lapse jig. And after a few hours of printing, I've got all the parts printed. The assembly is quite easy, especially if you follow the picture on the Thingiverse. This is really straightforward.
Bumblebee, I want you to spy on the Decepticons.
Okay, Bumblebee is assembled. It looks really nice, but there are some too loose joints and I will use CA glue to make them more tight. And Bumblebee is ready. And it can even stand on its own, even though the joints are still a little bit loose. I will probably use some nail polish to make those joints more tight, but all the other joints are really nice. Watch my other videos, they are right there waiting just for you. Also be sure to check Toymark 3D stuff because it is awesome. Say hello to him and consider printing his stuff because it is really nice. Also you can buy some more advanced models and bigger ones. Check his website, the stuff is brilliant. Go for it.
Bumblebee reporting for duty.